Hello everyone, welcome back to Agasti Embroidery Boutique YouTube channel. This is welcome tutorial number 12 in our beginner series. In today's video, we will learn which tool to use for drawing shapes. Many beginners ask this question, should I use column C or running stitch? Don't worry, I will explain slowly and clearly. Now, look at the left side toolbox. Here, I select the running stitch tool. Running stitch is used for simple lines and outlines. I click once to start. I click again to place the next point. I continue clicking to draw the shape. After finishing the shape, I press enter to complete it. Running stitch is the best for beginners because it is easy to draw and easy to understand. For practice and learning, running stitch is always good choice. Now I select the column C tool. Column C is used for satin stitch. This tool is used when we want a filled stitch like letters, borders or small designs. In column C, we need to draw two sides of the shape. This is not for simple drawing practice. Column C is used only when we want a proper satin stitch object. If you are just learning to draw shapes, do not start with the column C. First, learn with the running stitch. After you understand drawing clearly, then move to column C. Remember this. For drawing practice and outline, use running stitch. For satin stitch and filled design, use column C. First learn to draw, then learn to fill. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Agasti Embroidery Boutique. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.